We are featuring our miniature series quick connect coupling, also referred to as our M2 series. And our listings look on the bottom left-hand corner for M2, referring to the small versatile series couplers. On display I'm showing many of the configurations that are available in this series, from 1/4 inch, 3/16 and 1/8 inch barb sizes to 1/8 and 1/4 inch thread sizes in plug and other configurations for very versatile connections. Very popular option is our tube connector option, where the fitting, the coupler, and the plug are mounted directly to tubing. Because this series is so light, coupler only weighing 1 ounce, and the OD of the sleeve at the largest point is only 5/8 of an inch. It's very light, very easy to manipulate, particularly when you're connecting it directly to tubing. In addition, we offer a panel mount which will handle as much as a 3/4 inch thickness of the panel. Comes with the lock nut for the panel, and all of the tube connecting series come with a soft wall mandrel, as well as the sleeve and nut pre-assembled, as you can see here in all the options. Very easy to use. Has a manual sleeve. Pull the sleeve back to make the connection. Very positive, leak-free connection for long life and assure not leak. To disconnect, pull the sleeve back. Again, this is our miniature series, very popular. We're adding more and more configurations every day. Look in our listings in the bottom left-hand corner for M2 series, the versatile miniature series. Thanks for watching.